Hey guys, this is Boss Baby Beauty 16 by Jenny, and today I am going to do an eye look with the gingerbread palette. I know it's not the newest one, but I do know that a lot of you guys have this palette, so we're going to do an eye look with this palette. And we are also going to use one of these glitters from the Anastasia glitter palette. So let's get started. Okay guys, so as always, I'm going to start off with my P. Louise base. This is my favorite eye base. If you guys haven't seen my other videos, I just think that this eye base right here makes the eyeshadows way more opaque, and that's why I really enjoy this eye base. Normally what I first do, I just put it on my finger and I just wipe it over my eyes. Okay, and what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take my beauty blender and of course blend it in. Okay guys, so now that my eyes are primed, the first shade that I'm going to pick from this palette is called Frost Bite Me. So it's this first top one, and we are just going to pat that on both of our eyelids. Do the same thing to the other eye. Alright, so now that we have our eye base on, the next color I'm going to be going into is called Gingerbread. And you're just going to start blending out from the outer corner all the way in. Do the same thing to the other eye. Okay, so now that we have gingerbread blended on both of our eyes, I am now going to use the color Gumdrop. So yes, I know it's a bright pink, but we're going to blend it and it's going to come out really nice. Start from the outer corner and then blend on in. Do the same thing to the other eye. Okay, so now that we have Gumdrop on our eyes, the next color we are going into is Reindeer Paws. And start blending it from the outer corner on in. Do the same thing to the other eye. Okay, so now that we have Reindeer Paws blended on both of our eyes, we are going to go back to the P. Louise base and we're going to do a cut crease and put that right on our eyelids. Okay, now do the same thing to the other eye. Okay, so now that we have our crease cut out, we are going into the color called Hot Toddy, and we're going to pat that all over where we just cut out the crease. First, before we do pat it in though, let's spritz our brush so we can get a really opaque color. Okay, so once we have patted all the color in, we are going to take our finger, same color Hot Toddy, and pat it just a little bit more on top. Alright, now do the same thing to the other eye. Remember, first spritz your brush. Okay, now take your finger and pat that color on in. Okay guys, so we are almost done with the eye look, and what I'm going to do is go into the Anastasia glitter kit and put the glitter glue on my eye, and we're going to put that right over Hot Toddy. Let it dry just a tad bit while we're doing the other eye. Okay guys, so now that we have the glitter glue on our eyes by Anastasia, we are now going into the color called Snowfall Loose Glitter. And of course you guys can actually skip this step if you guys don't really like the glitter look. You can just keep the metallic cut crease on there if you didn't want to put any glitter. What I'm going to do is take my finger and just pat the glitter all over the eyelid when we put the glue up. You also may have to take a small brush just like this to be a little bit more precise. And then I'll alternate back and forth between finger and brush. Okay, now do the same thing to the other eye. Okay, so this is how it should look with the glitter on the eyes, just like that. Now we are going to swipe off the glitter with a fan brush, and we'll be right back. Okay guys, so now that we have the glitter swiped off, we are going to now do our foundation, and what I'm using today is the Smashbox Photo Finish Primer. Just going to pop that on my face and rub it in. Alright, now that we have our primer on, I'm going to be using the Smashbox foundation, which is the Studio Skin 24-Hour Wear Hydrating Foundation, this one right here. And it's the color 1.1, just in case you guys were wondering. And I'm going to use my foundation brush and start patting it in. And I almost forgot, you guys, so we gotta clean up the eye edges. So I'm taking the Yes 2 by Tomatoes face wipes or makeup remover, and I'm just gonna take the corner of this and swipe up on the corner of the eyes, and then we'll re-put the foundation over what we took off. So just like that, you swipe right up in the corner and do the same thing to the other eye. Go back to your foundation and just cover up the parts that we just took off. Okay guys, so now that we have our foundation on, we are going to do I'm going to do my blush, contour, highlight, and I will be right back so we can finish up this eye look. Okay guys, so I have my blush, contour, highlighter on. We are almost done with this look. Lastly, we got to do the bottom eyelids. Okay, so the color that I'm going to put on my bottom eyelids is called Fiji Pudding? Yeah, Fiji Pudding. And we're going to put that on the bottom of our eyelids. And this is how it looks once we have Fiji Pudding on there. Now what we are going to do is we are going to take the color Frostbite Me. This one right here, Frostbite Me. It's like this white shimmery color. And we are going to use that to highlight our inner corners of our eyes and the brow bone. I probably would recommend spraying the brush first. So let's spray the brush and pop that right on the inner corner of the eyes. Do the same thing to the other side. And put that on our brow bones. Do the same thing to the other eye. Okay guys, so after we have highlighted our brow bone and the inner corner of the eyes, what I'm going to do is take my Anastasia eyeliner in Jet Black, and we are just going to put that over our eyelids and our bottom eyelids. So for today, we are not doing a wing eyeliner, we are just doing rounded, going over the eye. And then outline the bottom part of the eye. Now since we use glitter, you're probably going to have to go back and forth and clean off the glitter from the brush and then re-dip in the eyeliner pod, because then you're going to get eye glitter all over the bottom one, or the bottom lid I should say. Okay, now do the same thing to the other eye. Now do the bottom lid. Okay guys, so now that we have our eyeliner on, I'm going to curl my eyelashes and then come back and show you which lashes I'll be putting on my eye. Okay guys, so now that I have my mascara on, the lashes I will be using today are the Jim Meyer lashes, and these are the lengthier ones. Obviously these are my most favorite. They're really long, lengthy, and extravagant looking, so we are going to pop these babies on and I'll be right back. Okay, so now that we have our eyelashes on, you guys, I'm going to be taking the liquid lipstick. Why can I never get it right? I don't know why. And this color is by this color is Silk Indulgent. Yeah, Indulgent. Yeah. And then, of course, I'm going to use my favorite lip liner, which is Barrett Comet by Wet n Wild. I'm going to do my lips, and then we are going to come back to the final look, and we'll see you in just a short few seconds. Okay guys, so here is the final look with the gingerbread palette. Woohoo! And then, of course, you know, the Anastasia eye glitter. I actually changed the color of my lips because they were just a little bit too light for me, so I end up using the NYX liquid lipstick, and this one is Exotic, and then I put Seduction over it just to give it a little bit more of a darker shade. And then lastly, of course, you can't go without lip gloss, and the lip gloss that I used is from my Beauty and the Beast lip gloss package or palette or set. There it is, and this one is called True Beauty. So let me give you guys a close-up. Here it is, you guys. This is the final look. I hope you guys enjoy this look with the gingerbread palette, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Bye.